How to reduce endless email threads in content approval process. Let CC ReviewFlow automate your emails and enhance your brand. First, admins set up notification email templates on CC ReviewFlow workspace. From your workspace dashboard, open Email Template and pick a template type. Here, you can customize the content and include branding details like your logo, sender name, and signature, making your emails look polished and consistent. So, how does auto email work in CC ReviewFlow? In the project information settings, the project manager turn on the option to collect reviewer information, or the manager needs to add the reviewer's information to ensuring reviewers' email are saved. Once this is set up, the automation email become available. 1. Auto send email when uploading a file for workspace member. Step 1. After uploading a file, the producer selects the file and clicks Notify Reviewers via email. Step 2. Choose the appropriate email template for your project. If you're a manager or admin, you'll be able to check and edit the recipient information. If you're a producer, this part will be hidden to ensure data privacy. Then simply click Send, and the file will be automatically delivered to the project's reviewers. 2. Auto schedule emails for the next review round for project manager. After completing a round in the feedback interface, the project manager can easily inform reviewers of the next round schedule. Just click Send Scheduled Notification, pick the round type, set the date, confirm, and send. The system will immediately deliver a full schedule email to all the project's reviewers. Auto email after approving comments for project manager to inform team members. In some projects, if comment moderation is enabled in the project settings, the project manager can approve comments in the feedback interface and notify team members once moderation is complete, with just one click. After that, an email about the new comments is automatically sent to all project members. Auto email after add new comment for project manager to inform to reviewer. Once you finish adding or replying to a reviewer's comment in the feedback interface, you can notify them by clicking Send Notification to Reviewers via email. An email will be sent right away, keeping them updated on your comment. 5. Auto email for new comments in the media feedback interface for reviewer. In the media feedback interface, once reviewers finish commenting, they can click Send Email to inform the team. The system will then automatically send you an email notification. Once the reviewer is happy with the round and decides to approve it, they simply click Approved. The system will instantly send you an email and notification confirming their approval. Smarter email, faster approve, one-click setup. Set up your email now and streamline your workflow with CC ReviewFlow.